Hello guys, today in this video I will show you how you can create a stopwatch like this using JavaScript. So this code is written basically by ChatGPT. So I have used ChatGPT to create this one, and this is very simple thing to do using ChatGPT. Okay, so let me go to the ChatGPT here. Okay, and this is the URL for ChatGPT, and here I will ask ChatGPT to write write HTML and JavaScript code to create stopwatch with um, any background we can also give here, for example with light green background and good styling. Okay, let's see. So now you can see it is compiling right now. You can see at the bottom here this is triple dot which is going on right now, and also you can see it here the blink. It is thinking something, or you can say it is compiling something in the background to understand our query, and then it will start writing. And now you can see it has started writing. Okay, so this is HTML code it is writing, and we can also use in terms of PHP. So basically it is writing PHP with the starting of HTML tag. So it will take few seconds to write it. Okay, so you can see it has also added like a styling here, and now here it is going to write the script, and this is the JavaScript code. So you can see it is automatically like using all the query selector and variable declaration, also return the function with the name of start timer, and now it is writing for like how it will display the hour, minute and second. Okay, so now it is when it will start and writing the next line. So it will take few seconds, you just need to wait for it to complete. And here it has given the timeout, the timer basically. For each second the screen will be refreshed. So it is also having a pause timer function which will clear the interval, and then again reset timer to which it again start the timer from the 0. Okay, and here it has created a variable for start button, pause button, reset button, and yeah, this is done the script. So now what I will do here, I will copy this HTML code first. Okay, and I will go here in the VS Code, and here I will create a new file. I will close first all of these things. I will create a new file, just a text file. Okay, and I will paste all my HTML code here, and in the same I will also paste my JavaScript code here. Okay, just after this one, and now I will save it inside a folder. Make sure that keep the file name properly. So I will put it here, stop watch new.html, and I am saving it inside a folder named JS. Yeah, now it is saved. So now I will go inside that folder. So this is the folder, and this is the new stopwatch new.html file. So what I will do, I will double click on it to open it in the default browser, which is Safari in my case. And you can see it has added the green background, light green background, as and given in the query asked written in the ChatGPT. And so here I will click on start button to start the timer, and you can see timer has been started. Okay, now I will also, I can pause it, I can reset it, and everything is working fine. Okay, now you can see millisecond is not coming here, so we can also ask ChatGPT to add millisecond here. So what I will do, I will again go here and I will write, can you add just there's some mistakes here, milliseconds as well in the stopwatch display time. Go just this one, let's see. So now it is understanding our query, I mean what we have written here, and hopefully it will reply on the basis of that. So you can see here it is written, of course, here the updated JavaScript code that includes millisecond in the stopwatch display. So now it will again writing the updated code with the stopwatch, I mean adding the milliseconds here. So you can see how like it is interpreting, I mean, or writing the code for us, and how simply it is doing the things. So we can do, I mean, we can create the stopwatch in any language here. I will also show you in by doing the same thing in a different language. So now it has created the function for pause, reset, and here it is the start button. And you can also see it is also taking care of all the ID. You can see it is start ID starting with hashtag start btn, and it is also added like event listener on the click of that timer. Okay, so now it has added pause button, now reset button, and again event listener for that. Yep, and this is done. So what I will do here, I will go ahead and click on copy code to copy it, and I will now go to here, and here I will just replace this script code. So I will select all the script, okay, and I will paste the new one and save that. I will save it. So now you can see I have added, and just I will go ahead and refresh this page. Okay, let me start it, and you can see millisecond is also coming now. Okay, so like this you can use ChatGPT to create any timer, or you can also create something else if you want. Okay, so I will show you other things by creating other thing in the next video or upcoming video. Okay, and now let's see how it can create, or we can create same thing like timer in a different language. So right now I will use different language as C# because I have the setup to run that language. Okay, or you can also use any other language. Okay, so I will ask write C# code to create a timer. Okay, see you and milliseconds. Okay, I think there is something. Okay, my double L will be there. Yeah, I will save it. Now I think it should generate. Okay, it is. Okay, let me refresh this one. So now I got some errors, that's why I have refreshed it. Now again I will write C# code to create stopwatch. Okay, so that's it, and now you can see it has started generating it. Here is a simple C# code to create a stopwatch. Okay, so the same thing you can do in any language. For example, you can use React.js. You can also ask ChatGPT to write in the AngularJS. You can also ask ChatGPT to write in the Next.js. Okay, or PHP, or anything you want, it will do it. Okay, so now you can see this is the simple code written by ChatGPT in the C# language. So what I will do, I will copy the code, and to run it in the C# language, so I will go here in the Visual Studio. Okay, and here I will paste this code. Okay, and I will save it. and I will run it. Click on this play button to run it. Okay. Let me just check. Yeah. Okay, I should write it inside the main method. So yeah, let me write it inside the main method. Okay, I will put it here in the copied code. Yeah, I will remove these things because it's already there. Okay. Yeah, I think I need to add one. Okay. I think it is written something wrong. I mean, not actually wrong, but yeah. Let me ask it to. Can you add a main method as well in the code? So now it will add a main method inside it. So yeah, now it will generate it again with the main method. So now you can see it is putting everything inside the main method. So now it has started writing the stopwatch class. It's really very interesting thing to do with ChatGPT. Okay, but you make sure to learn it because uh, only that is the way for you to understand how ChatGPT is like writing the code and how C# code or any language is working to create a stopwatch. Okay, so here I will come again and I will remove everything here. I will paste the new code. I will save it. Okay, and now I will run it. Now you can see it is having the main method as well, but was not earlier inside the code. And you can see now it is coming. Press enter to start the stopwatch. Okay, so I will press enter. Now stopwatch has been started. Now it is saying press enter to stop the stopwatch. So again I will press enter. So now it has, you can see it's been 7 seconds. Okay, and we can also ask to add a return, but I mean as well. Sorry, reset button as well. So let me ask reset function as well. So now let's see, it will ask a reset function as well in the same code. So you can see it will write the updated code again. Now you can see it is keeping everything similar as we already asked to, I mean, add the main method. So you can see by default it has added the main method, and now it has also added here, you can see reset option here. It has also added the reset option which was not earlier. Okay, so now again it will create a start, stop, and one more method that will be reset method. Okay, so what we will do now, I will just copy this again. I will go here and remove everything, paste the new code and save it and run it. And you can see press enter to start stopwatch. I have started it. Now press enter to stop the stopwatch. I have stopped it. Press enter to reset this. I have reset it. Okay, so you can see the stopwatch is running very well. Okay, in all the language. So I hope you like this video. So That is all guys in this video. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.